Good morning, students. Next topic that we're going to start is from unit number 4th, and from this topic we're going to start with unit number 4. First of all, let me give you a brief introduction about unit 4. I have already given you notes for this unit, so let me just tell you the major points that you need to cover in this unit. In the 4th unit, we are required to cover a few chapters, and these chapters are as follows. We need to understand about the economic planning in India. We need to understand what is the meaning of economic planning, why is economic planning needed, and how does it contribute in the economic development of the nation, and how has the planning been done in India in the past, and how is it being done now. So first of all, we need to understand about the economic planning about India, and then we need to understand about mobilization of resources for development. This is another topic that we need to cover in this. And then mobilization of resources for development. Then the third topic that we need to start is financial sector, structure, performance and reforms, and then inflation in India. So these are the topic that we are required to cover in unit number 4. I'm again telling you one by one all the topic. First topic that we are required to cover in 4th unit is mobilization of resources for development. In this bache, as the name suggests, mobilization of resources for development means collecting all the resources. We are talking about the financial resources for development. Basically they are talking about the banking system. They are talking about कि आप किस तरीके से savings को mobilize करके एक organization एक point पर लाते हो from where they can be used for further investment and contributing in the economic development. तो हम वो समझेंगे कि कहाँ से finances आते हैं, mobilization कैसे होता है finances का for economic development. These finances are coming from the savings of the people, and also this is coming from the government on the basis of deficit. Borrowing होती हैं जो government की. All these point we will be understanding, जिसमें हमें deficit financing का एक concept है which is very important concept, वो हम study करेंगे. तो जितने भी financial assistance के सोर्सेज हैं, मतलब व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट सोर्सेज जहाँ से हमें फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज मिलते हैं फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नेशन, दैट वी विल बी कवरिंग इन दिस यूनिट. देन द सेकेंड इज इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है, स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है, इवैल्यूएशन करना है. एंड देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी नीड टू स्टडी इज़ फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर ऑफ इंडिया. कितने कैपिटल मार्केट है, मनी मार्केट है, कैपिटल मार्केट में क्या होता है, मनी मार्केट में क्या है, व्हाट इज़ अ प्राइमरी मार्केट, व्हाट्स अ सेकेंडरी मार्केट. ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स वी नीड टू कवर, एंड देन वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट इन्फ्लेशन इन इंडिया. So these are the topics, as I have told you, these 4 topics that we need to cover in this unit. So first of all, I'll be covering with this topic, which is economic planning in India. I'm just giving you an introduction. इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग में हमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है. हमें इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग में इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग का मीनिंग, उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड हाउ इज़ इट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. देन इंडिया में क्या क्या हुआ इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग के नाम पर, राइट. तो बच्चे इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग क्या है वो मैं आपको बता दूंगी. इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग क्यों की जाती है और इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग से क्या डेवलपमेंट में इफेक्ट आता है, ये सब चीज़ें मैं आपको समझा दूंगी. बट आई थिंक यू कैन राइट इट ऑन योर ओन एज वेल. व्हाट्स मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग इंडिया में हुई कैसे है. एंड व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग in India, we talk about 5-year planning system of India, which began from 1951 when the Planning Commission came with this system of planning, these 5-year plans. So it began in the year 1951 and then it ended in the year 2017, because then now planning is being done by Niti Aayog. So आपको इस चैप्टर में ये भी पढ़ना होगा कि डिफरेंट प्लान्स, फर्स्ट 5-year प्लान, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, 12th तक जितने भी प्लान्स आए उनके हर प्लान के क्या क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव था एंड एक्चुअली में क्या अचीव हो पाया, राइट. एंड देन लिमिटेशंस क्या रही हैं हमारी इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग की इंडिया में. ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स यू नीड टू कवर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग, राइट. सो दिस in this video lecture I'm just going to tell you that what is economic planning. So as you can read economic planning, before reading, as we can just think about what is economic planning. We have already discussed this topic in our class many a times, that when you're planning for your economy, that is economic planning. So economic planning in India consists of economic decisions, schemes, Yes. So we were talking about the economic planning. Economic planning consists of economic decisions. It consists of the schemes, and it consists of schemes which are formed to meet the certain predetermined economic objectives and a roadmap of directions to achieve specific goals within specified period of time. This is telling you about कि कोई ऐसा रोड मैप, वो डिसीजंस, वो स्कीम्स जो आप अपनी कंट्री के लिए प्लान कर रहे हो, एंड इट इज़ अ रोड मैप जो कि आपको अचीव कर हेल्प कर रहा है टू अचीव योर फ्यूचर गोल्स. एंड हियर वी टॉक अबाउट लाइक ऑल द इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसीज, फॉरेन ट्रेड पॉलिसीज, ऑल द स्कीम्स, ऑल द plans that came. They are talking about everything in this. So that is economic planning, when you're framing different schemes for your nation, right? Then, economic planning is a term used to describe the long-term plans of the government to coordinate and develop the economy with efficient use of resources. Basically, किस तरीके से अब if I take you to back to the major, जब आपने इकोनॉमिक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया था तो हम उसमें क्या बात करते हैं कि इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन जो होते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल कंसर्नड अबाउट व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस एंड फॉर whom टू प्रोड्यूस. तो इसके लिए जो प्लानिंग करनी होती है कि जो स्कैर्स रिसोर्सेज हैं उनको किस तरीके से बेस्ट वे में यूटिलाइज करना है so that it is beneficial for all. That is economic planning. So economic planning in India actually started in the year 1950 after independence. It was deemed necessary for economic development and growth of the nation. It was considered कि if there is no planning, then वही चीज़ इतने सालों में अचीव होएगी जो कि बहुत जल्दी अचीव हो सकती है if you do planning. And then there are objectives of the economic planning, that why is economic planning important. You can read. I don't think there should be any doubt in these points. Please go through these points. Planning decides in which direction of the country should go, how much resources should be allocated, and then economic self-reliance. Fourth last point is that it gives you a self-reliance, that you are not dependent on the other countries for your resources, right? Then after this, the next point that we need to cover is objectives and then importance of economic planning in India. Economic planning in India is important because we it's important for every country, and for us, when we got the independence, we needed something, right? And then it guides how central and state government coordinate and meet. It helps in maintaining healthy competition among the people. It sets the target to be achieved in measures. And then the question is importance of planning and economic development. It helps in poverty alleviation. इन्हीं चीज़ों से डेवलपमेंट होती है. एंड देन रिड्यूसिंग रीजनल इम्बैलेंसेस, पीपल्स पार्टिसिपेशन ऑन द डेवलपमेंट, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. I don't think there should be any issue in any of the point mentioned here. So that was a brief introduction of the topic economic planning. Further in this topic, we will be studying about the different plans that came in India first से लेकर 12th तक, and what were the different objectives, what were the targets of the different plans, and were they even able to achieve them achievement. So ये question बच्चे बहुत important है from exam point of view, क्योंकि ये बहुत पूछा जाता है कि इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग क्या है, एंड स्पेशली ये ज़रूर पूछा जाता है कि डिफरेंट 5-year प्लान्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड अचीवमेंट्स एंड लिमिटेशंस बता दीजिए. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट टेक दिस क्वेश्चन लाइटली. प्लानिंग सिस्टम के ऊपर, प्लान्स के ऊपर, 5-year प्लान्स के ऊपर क्वेश्चन मोस्टली आता है. In the next lecture, we will be talking about the different plans, first year 5-year plan, 5-year planning system, different plans की क्या objectives and all थे.